how to set auto disconnect time for music shared on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on this first option, Connections. After click on Connection, click on this third option, Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, click on this three dot icon and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, click on Music Share. After click on Music Share, you will see disconnect when nothing is played for. And you will select time from here. You will select 5 minutes, click on 5 minutes. If you want to select 10 minutes, click on 10 minutes. If you want to select 30 minutes, click on 30 minutes. Or if you want to set don't disconnect, click on the don't disconnect. After select time, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set auto disconnect time for music share on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.